1 ton per day capacity 2 bikes machine working together with the half-ton ice storage bin. There is a steel frame to support the machine and bear the weight of the machine. Ice will fall into the storage bin automatically and be kept inside. Okay, so this is how it looks when we open the door of the storage bin. We're going to focus on the inside of the bin when the machine is defreezing, so we can see the ice fall into the bin automatically. Let's wait for the machine to defreeze. Okay, we can hear the ice is coming down into the storage bin. Yes, it's like this. Top quality ice, solid, no holes, 100% transparent, crystal clear. Okay.